Right then, Jake, we're looking to improve on 20. Pretty sure you're going to be able to do this. So 9,470, good. That's not what the sum means. The sum means 54 add 48. That one's right. That's good. Nice and neat. 2, 4, 6 for the first page. Good, 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 good. Just spelled wrong. But you get the marks. That's correct. That's correct. 740 is correct. That's correct. That's not. You haven't shown me any workings out, so I can't give you any method marks for that. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's not. That's too far. That's what we're looking for. So 3 marks out of 4 there. 7, 11 for the page. Good. Already scored more than you did in your whole homework. And that's correct. Uh, 75 is not. And again, there's no method. You haven't written anything on your graph for that one, so I can't give you any credit for what you're trying to do. It's fallen as there's a lot more pupils in year 11 than in year 7. That's good enough. 3, 6 for the page. Good, 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 good. Very good. Yeah, I'll take that as 8 times 4 for the whole thing. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt there. That's really good. What have we got there? 2, 1, 2, 2. Very good. Both of those correct, and that bang on as well. Full marks for that page. Very impressive, Jake. Disappointed you couldn't get those 2 bits right. Have a look at the video clip. I'm sure you sort that out. That is correct. So is that, and so is that. It's not percent, it's just 35. "30 miles is right. 75 minutes is wrong. And that are wrong for the same reason, and that is you haven't worked out how many minutes each little square is worth. You're going in 10 squares an hour, which is 60 minutes. So if 60 minutes is 10 squares, 1 square would be 6 minutes. And you need to use that to answer B and D. Faster because the line goes further up faster. Yeah, I'll give you that. What I'm looking for, really, for you to say is that the line is steeper before the break, and the steeper the line, the faster you're travelling. This is a nasty question where you've got to concentrate. Have a look how I've done that on the video clip. Hopefully you'll get your head around it. Yeah, that is what a prime number is, but you need now to think of an even number that's also the case. So you need to tell me that 2 is an even number, but it's also prime. Not enough there for the mark. That is correct. Explain. You haven't. You're not going to get the mark. This question is something that you will be able to do. Just have a look how I've done it. On Jones's sum, it's a topic called games of chance, and it always comes up, and it's always worth 7 or 8 marks, so it's worth practicing. Those are right. Well done. You're plotting the line, 2 marks. It's positive, correct. You need to draw your line of best fit. Now the line of best fit, you just draw it so that the slope of the line is running the same way as the slope of the points. So something like that would give you that mark. And then estimate the takings when there are 320. You'd use that line of best fit. You go across to 320, up to your line, and then read across and read off the value. So it would be 3,700 on where I've drawn my line. Your enlargement is correct, but it's in the wrong place. It doesn't start at A. It starts twice as far away from A as the original does. So if the original is 2 squares to that corner, in the enlargement it's 4 squares away, so that corner becomes that corner, and then the shape comes out from there. Watch how I do that on the video. It's easy marks, 2, 4, 5 for the page. Again, watch this, it's fairly easy marks. What you've done there is correct, but if you think about when you've opened your paper all up back to the original square, the creases would look like that. And with this one I can see what you're trying to show me. You're trying to show me to take that corner and take it over there. Well, if I do that, the crease will go like that, but I've got to fold it twice, so I have to fold it along this diagonal as well. So you're not going to get a mark for what you've done there. 2 marks for the page. It is a 6n rule, but it's a 6n minus 1 rule because the first number is 1 less than 6. So the complete answer is that. But 1 mark on the back page, not many are getting that. Jake, I think I'm going to be impressed with this, considering how poor your first effort was. Let's have a look. 6, 17, 23, 35, 42, 44, 48, 53, 55, 56 out of 100. Okay, so we've still got a long way to go, but God, that is so much better than what I was seeing off you this time last week when I was marking your work. 56 is a grade D. If I combine the 2 papers, as if it was the paper 1, paper 2 you'd sit in November, then I'd be bringing in 20 out of 100, which would be 76 out of 200, which would be a grade F. Alright, so you need to be performing consistently at this or better to be in with a shout of a grade C. But that's much, much better. I'm very, very pleased seeing what you've done there, Jake.